you've ever wanted to quickly share your contact information with another person, Apple is making that easier for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. While Apple does offer name drop, it lacks granularity and isn't always the most reliable. Passable brings contact sharing into neat-looking Apple Wallet passes, and it offers tons of granularity. While Passable is great for contact sharing, it doesn't just do that. It also helps you share websites, social media, and other links as well. In Passable, you can customize the color and styling of your wallet pass and create different ones for different social contacts. That feature is particularly useful if you have one contact you want to share at a business function and a different one at personal events. If you'd like to share your portfolio, for instance, you can also make cards for websites. It also supports special cards for the App Store and TestFlight, just in case you're a fellow indie developer who wants an easier time while sharing your app with others. Passable wallet passes are also shareable, and when you update the pass in Passable, it will remotely update on everyone's device that you shared it with. You can also remotely delete shared passes. All in all, Passable makes sharing contacts and links in person incredibly seamless. It removes the extra work and brings everything into Apple Wallet so it's easily findable and shareable. Passable is available for free on the App Store on iPhone, Mac, and Apple Watch. You'll need iOS 18, macOS 15, and watchOS 11 or later to run it. You can make one wallet pass per category for free, while Passable Gold unlocks 10 passes per category and additional customization. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.